Hi everyone, my name's Amanda and I'm kind of new here. I've been promising a couple friends here on YouTube for a beauty room tour. So, here I am with my point and shoot camera. We're gonna give it a shot, right? So, here we are. We're walking. Here's where we would come in. The door. Here we go. Not very exciting, is it? Not at this point. Down here are bags that I don't have a home for. Probably gonna go get donated. Here is a guitar that my uncle gave me. I intended on learning how to play the guitar. It hasn't happened yet. Here is an area of stuff that I need to find a home for. So, you know, I do have my brush drying thing. I have some cleansing balm. I have some other stuff. Yeah, makeup that needs to find a home. Yay. And I have some primers that I had out and I was going to put away. And then I didn't. So, I just now noticed that. Up here are where some foundations live, as well as some powders. The ones that I'm using for videos upcoming I have pulled out and I'll show you. And then two very cute things that kind of hide where the foundations and powders live. Dogs leave paw prints on our hearts, and a house is not a home without a dog. We got those a while ago when I was trying to get my husband to allow me to have a puppy. We have a puppy. He's like almost 6, so he's not technically a puppy, but he's loved. He is well loved. And we're gonna move some of the stuff here. Sorry, that was upside down. That's fun. Okay, so here I have some Dollar Tree drawers that aren't really that exciting. They hold random tools in this side, and then we have lashes at the bottom and a bunch of perfumes that I don't wear. So lashes, empty, perfumes. I gotta really organize my stuff a little better. Down here I have face products, cream lipsticks, eyeliners, and then in the cube up, all the liquid lips you could desire, and lip glosses. I have lip liners, and just up from that, it looks like you're looking at yourself, doesn't it? This is a projector that we had up for Christmas but I haven't taken it down yet. Yeah, you know, I'm really not good at putting things away. Over here, do you hear the angels singing? Okay, so this is eyeshadow. I know. These are mostly eyeshadows. Okay, I have Anastasia, I have Tarte, I have the Lorac Makeup Pro, the Tarte Clay Play. This is the Tarteist Pro, but then I have some that I've gotten from BoxyCharm. These two I've gotten from BoxyCharm. This is the Glam Metals that we got in the January BoxyCharm. And this is the Pure Soiree Diaries that I don't remember when we got, but it's wonderful. It's fall. And then I have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2. This is a definer brow from Profusion. I got it at Target. It wasn't expensive, and I wanted to learn how to do my brows. I still haven't done that yet. So I have some smaller palettes over here. And then I have some, well, I guess this is a higher end, so that could go up. I have more, well, there's my Winky Lux from BoxyCharm, and then this is my Dose. I think that's how you say it. And more affordable eyeshadows, like drugstore. And down here I have concealer. I have so many mascaras. Oh my. And highlighters. And that's not even all of them. Are you excited yet? So, this here is a basket. of stuff that also needs to be put away, because, you know, that's how I roll. Not doing things. Over here, if you've noticed, I live in Iowa. I live actually on the border of Iowa and Illinois. I know. That doesn't mean much except for when it's cold during the winter. And it's fabulous in the summer. So, you know, I am extremely grateful for where I live. Here are all of my makeup sponges. Iowa is clean. Illinois is dirty. If you pay attention to politics, you totally understand that reference. If you don't, well, smile and nod. Are you smiling and nodding? It's okay. We're going over here to my Star Wars Stormtrooper doll. And then I got some brushes off of Wish.com, and surprisingly, I use Wish way too much. And then my Dollar Tree mug, which said had inspirational stuff. And this is Find Joy in the Journey. And I found that inspirational. Here is nail polishes. Back when I was into doing my nails, I obtained a bunch of nail polishes. So, and you know, you get some from subscription boxes. I think that was FabFitFun and everything. Well, so there's that. And this. Let me get down on my knees so you could actually see this. My husband is wonderful. And when we got married in May of 2017, so we're not, but we've been together several years. So, I'll read you what this is inscribed, and this is with my Wonder Woman stuff. I have the bracelets, I also have the tiara, but this says, from Wonder Woman to wonderful woman to Wonder Woman. It's not where you've been, but what you do every day that makes you wonderful. You've become more graceful and understanding. You've gained wisdom by striving to improve. You gave me your strength when I was tired, weak, and sick. You became your own superhero and mine. You become more beautiful each day. You are truly my Wonder Woman. Butthole. It's gonna make me cry. I love him. He was with me when I was diagnosed with a chronic illness and held my hand during the big and scary stuff. And I had to return the favor. And let me tell you, I couldn't be luckier. And then he does my makeup, and I look like a space princess. Life is good, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna tear up now, so, you know. This is empties. We're gonna film my empties. Yes, I threw a deodorant in there because I wanted you to know that I do not stink. This is the bad bin. I know, it's at the bottom. Because, you know, bad. These are different makeup bags I have acquired over time. I do not remember where I acquired a lot of them. Some of them were in Ipsy, somewhere, you know, in with other things like, hey, if you spend X amount of dollars, you get all these samples, and then I get all the samples because, you know, more makeup. So, that stuff. Yeah. This is an empty acrylic box because I don't have nearly enough stuff to fill it quite yet. Yeah. Here's the prerequisite scented candle burning in the background. And this is a lamp that my mother got me for my very first apartment. I think it's sweet. I still have it all these years. Alright, if you guys ever see stuff in the background sitting on the dresser, these are for upcoming videos. This is for Makeup 101, and this is for an Ulta try-on thing. And I still have CDs because I am over 30. I know that it's hard to believe that I'm over 30, but trust me, I am. Okay. Some stuffed animals that have sentimental value. And then books. And to share, I need to fold. But I use it for like background stuff. So the books. Some people may have gone more towards online stuff. What the hell is that bag doing? But let me tell you, I once read a meme that had a John Waters quote that said, "If you go home with someone and they don't have books, don't sleep with them." So I had an obsession with books, and well, I actually read a good portion of them. So, well, there was a joke. Now this is a piece of art from a job a long time ago. I worked at a hotel, and we had a guy who was a truck driver who would stay with us named Nathan. And he gave this to me when he was changing positions and not going to be in our area anymore. And that was lovely. I still have it, and I'm still proud of it. Yeah. So here is hand lotions, tissues, stuff. This here is where I plan out all of my videos. And this is my filming setup. My ring light is not plugged in, but it is homemade. I got some rope light from Walmart and a wire wreath thingy, and that is where we film. That is the ring light. I also use Walmart lamps. Guys, I'm telling you that if you want to get started, just do it. Just get started. I am a fairly new YouTuber, so I have a nice camera now, but I don't have everything. I don't have soft boxes or umbrella lights or even a fancy ring light. Heck, I made mine for 25 bucks from Walmart. And you know what, guys? Good enough. I have a lot of brushes. A huge amount of brushes. And so, yeah. There's some in the bathroom that need to get washed also. Yeah. So, I forgot what I was gonna say. Beyond that. When I film, I usually have my computer up on these stand dealies, because then it doesn't take up, it's lifted up and I can put things underneath, and it's just negative space that I can shove things under and put it away later, or over in the area where I put stuff. In here, there's my lovely, I'm moving my chair, and when I do swatches or something, this, by the way, this is for a future video, but this here is my everyday makeup drawer. If you've seen that video, then you know where it is. I know, exciting. And the rest of this is just an old child's room. I do have a couple things that I think is probably going to be worth seeing. This is something that was in my business, or these wall hangings, when we owned a business, and this was on the wall, and when we closed our business, we took it with us. But this is from a quote from Henry Ford: "Whether you think you can, or whether you think you can't, you're right." From Dr. Seuss: "Don't cry because it's over. Smile because it happened." And for those of us who are scared of trying something new, what are you waiting for?